Hi guys, welcome back to 10 Minute Maths. Right, this week we're going to be looking at sorting, and we're going to be sorting lots of different objects into groups by colour, size and shape. And we're going to be thinking about the similarities and differences of these objects. And we might even figure out that they can be sorted into more than two groups. Right, so today we are going to be using lots of different words to describe our objects. But some special words we're going to be using are sort, groups, different, and the same. Right, so to join in today, obviously there's going to be lots of different opportunities for you to help me with my sorting today. But for your challenge at the end, you're going to need 5 different objects that you can sort into 2 and 3 groups. And then you're going to need 5 more objects that you can sort into 2 and 3 groups. And then you can keep doing that and practicing and practicing and practicing. Right, so let's get sorting. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to describe Barney. So I want you to tell me everything you can see and tell me what he looks like. Yep, he's black and he's white, yep. Yep, he looks really fluffy, doesn't he? Is he wearing anything? Yeah, he's got a collar around his neck. What colour's his collar? Yeah, it's blue and it's gold. Excellent, well done. Right, so now we're going to look at Betty as well. So we've described Barney, and can you describe Betty? What does Betty look like? Yep, she's brown. Yep, she's wearing a collar as well, isn't she? And what colour's her collar? Yeah, it's gold. Yep, and she's got a special little pattern, a leopard print pattern. So now, can you tell me what's different about Barney and Betty? What's different? Yeah, they're both different colours, and their collars are different colours. Anything else that's different? Yeah, they're different sizes. Who is smaller? Yeah, Barney's a bit smaller. So who's bigger? Yeah, Betty. Betty's a little bit bigger, isn't she? So they both look a little bit the same, but they are different colours and they're different sizes. So well done. Right, here we go. Oh, look, Barney has been doing some painting. What an amazing painting he's done. But he has made a big mess. Look, there's paint everywhere, there's paintbrushes, there's pencils, there's paints. Oh, it's just all over the place. So I think he needs our help to tidy up. Do you think you can help? Excellent. Right, so we need to sort the things out into the right places. So first of all, let's look at this little group here. What are they? Yeah, we've got some pencils, we've got some paintbrushes. What can you tell me about them? Can you describe them? Yeah, so think about the colours. What colours are they? Yep, they're yellow. And there's some that are a bit of a browny colour, a bit of an orangey colour. Okay, so how could we sort those things out? Yeah, let's put the paintbrushes into this pot. And what are we left with? Yeah, the pencils. So let's put the pencils in the other pot. Well done. Right, so now we've got this little group here. So we've got some paints. How could we describe the paints? What's the same about them? Yeah, they're the same shape, aren't they? And they're the same size. What's different about them? Yeah, they're different colours. So how could we sort these paints out? Yeah, let's put the blue ones on the top shelf and let's put the brown ones on the bottom shelf. Excellent. Right, I've got some toys here. They're out of my toy box. So what I want you to do, we're going to sort them into 2 groups. But the 2 groups have both got to be the same on one side and then the same on the other. So what can you tell me that is the same about these objects? Yeah, do you know, some are the same colours. What colours have we got? We've got red and we've got yellow. Excellent. So let's put all of the red things over here, and then we can put all of the yellow things over here. So the red group is the same because they're red, and the yellow group is the same because they're all yellow. So we've now sorted them by colour. Let's have another go. So can you see anything different about them? Okay, so what else is the same then? What else is the same? Yeah, excellent. We've got cars. So let's put all the cars this side. And what are we left with? Yeah, the buses. So we can put the buses over this side. So now we've sorted them by type. There's cars and there's buses. Excellent. Right, let's move on to some cakes because I love cakes. So what can you tell me about these cakes? Can you describe them to me? I know they look yummy, but tell me what they look like. Yeah, we've got some chocolate ones and we've got some pink ones, haven't we? They're different colours. So let's put all of the chocolate ones over this side, and then let's put the pink ones over this side. So now we've sorted them by flavours, haven't we? By the colour, so chocolate and pink. Can we sort them now into 3 groups? A bit of a challenge for you. So look again really carefully. There's lots of things that are the same, but there's also a few things that are different. So can you spot anything else? So we've got the flavours, we've got chocolate and we've got pink. Can we sort them into a different group? Right, do you know, I can see there's 2 cakes with something special in them. What can you see in those cakes? They've got candles. Excellent. So let's put the cakes with candles over this side. Then how can we sort the last 3 cakes? Yeah, we could sort these ones by flavours again. So let's put the chocolate ones in here, and then we could put the pink one in the end. So now we've got a group with cakes with candles in, a group that are just chocolate cakes with no candles, and then we've got a group that is a pink cake with no candles. So now we've sorted them into 3 groups. So well done. Right, here's your challenge for this week. Are you ready? Right, you've got to choose a group of 5 objects, and then you need to try and sort them into 2 groups. But try and remember, you've got to think about what's the same about them, but what's the different. So can you try and explain why you've sorted them into those 2 groups? Then think about again, can they be sorted in a different way? Have a go at that. But then you can have a go again and try 5 new objects. Right, once you've done that, here is your greater depth challenge. So, choose up to 5 objects. Can you sort them now into 3 groups? So like we did with our cakes and the candles, can you sort your 5 objects into 3 groups? And then explain your reason again to an adult. So can you tell them why you've sorted them into those 3 groups? Right, there you go, guys. Have a good go at those challenges and let me know how you get on. Right, that's all we've got time for. But as always, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you like, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.